What's going on, guys? Welcome to another day of the New York session. I was recording another video, but my mic was muted, so I just stopped that one and started a new one. But um, we're bullish. Um, this 15 minute, it broke this structure. It's retracing to this 15-minute fair value gap, but on the 1 hour, it's wicking down. Um, it's tough. Because if we were going by the 1 hour, this would probably be it. Would be the trade, but there was no turtle soup. But that's besides the point. I'm not going for sells because I'm bullish. It could retrace a little bit, and then I feel like it'll move down here because price tends to break structure and create structure when it's going into a higher time frame. Fair value gap on the opposite side. So this will probably make like a low. Oh, another lower two, and then it'll reverse up. So that's good because it gives us time for it to get into our trading time. But besides that, I am just waiting. You have this 15-minute fair value gap, you have the 5 minute, and then you have a 30 minute, which is here, which 5 more minutes. So it could still very well come down into this 30 minute. Even though it tapped into the 15-minute, 5 minute, the 30 minute didn't even form fully yet. So this candle has to close, then the fourth candle has to come down and retrace into it. So that's gonna be interesting. So price is just probably gonna like just do whatever, stay in this area for the next 5 minutes until this 30 minute closes. Yeah, that's getting disrespected. But I'll get back to you guys in a minute. I think I'm gonna take this buy right here. Not here, but when price retraces back to this 2 minute inversion, because you have this power of three consolidation, manipulation into the bullish fair value gap, and then you have this inversion fair value gap. There's nothing on the 1 minute, to be honest, except this breaker. Not the breaker. That's a order block. Except that order block, so you could trade from up here, but 20 seconds. And this is gonna be our take profit. Take profit of one. Two. This is shooting up. Look at that. Whoa. Okay. Not looking for buys anymore. Because that was the take profit. What did it retrace it? Oh, I guess it did. No, that was after. See, this is why it's good that you check Forex Factory before you trade. That makes sense. This PMI, that would make perfect sense. I'm glad I didn't get into a trade. That makes a lot more sense now. So now that that got hit, maybe I should have just bought at the, okay, whatever. So that's, now we're on our way down. We have that 5 minute turtle soup. Now we're looking for a structure shift down on the 1 minute. So that'll be below this. So why did price come up here? Because it was reacting. What up, bro? I'm currently recording. Yeah. I don't know, bro. No, you just do it. I'm recording right now too, by the way. Mm. Appreciate it. Bro, look at this. I didn't know that there was PMI today. I forgot that there was the PMI. But look at this. Power of three. Perfect. Look at this. You have the manipulation. I mean the consolidation, then you have the manipulation, and then you have the extension. You see that? What's up, bro? No, but yeah, this bet we'll do that right now. This is that. So how do you trade? Like supply demand? Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, whack off and all that. So it's the same thing. You still go from top down. It's just using different concepts. So you use like supply demand, Wyckoff, and like volume. I don't know if you use volume, but like stuff like that. And I just use something called like SM smart money concepts or the inner circle trader concepts, the ICT. So price just hit this. So this is the fair value gap. It's when there's a gap in price between the candles. It's a three candle pattern. So when price comes down to tap a fair value gap, the nature of it is that it makes a fair value gap, it comes down, and then it respects that direction. Or sometimes if it disrespects, you'll know if the candle like it's going down below. If price closes below this box, then it disrespects it. So that's how you know if price wants to go down or up. So you could do that on different time frames, obviously. Yeah, yeah. Uh, yeah. Hmm. Exactly. Like how it's doing right now. So like it made this fair value gap, it came down to it, it respected it, but now it after it hit this fair value gap right here, you see how it wicked this 15-minute fair value gap, and then now it's coming down bearish. So right now we're waiting for price to come into this 5-minute inversion fair value gap because it's called an inversion fair value gap after the body closes below it or disrespects it. Um, so now the nature of an inversion is that it comes back up to retest it and then it goes down. So we're using these same concepts just on different time frames. And we start from the top to determine a bias and then we keep going down until the 1 minute to enter. Yeah. I mean, not all of it, but I just thought there was PMI. Like, look at this, bro. It's like taking all of my targets. I don't want price to go down that low. This is my top step evaluation. I didn't pass yet. Yeah. Where am I guess the bottom, cause yeah, that got swept. So, bro, I'm gonna be upset. Cause the thing about days like this is that you just have to leave and then wait till the next session because this was the trade. You know what I mean? It's just price was so volatile, it went without me. But if price goes below this, then that's my trade. Look at this, bro. Like, it's not even retracing. But it's days like this that like help me like confirm that what I do like actually works. 'Cause look at these wicks. They're just like, you know what I mean? They're just tapping into it and respecting the zones. This is blood, bro. I don't like days like this, bro. I don't wanna sit on my hands. It's tough. But yeah, if price went back into this 5 minute, then I would have looked for my buy there because there's this 1 minute fair value gap. So on that, I would have sold. But obviously that didn't happen. So if we're looking at it liquidity based, you this buy side got swept, and then after buy side gets swept, sell side gets swept, and then after that we see what else is going on. So in 7 minutes, we'll see if price wants to keep going down or go up. And technically, it still isn't my trade session. It's just that move right there was so perfect. These two green lines are my so 9:45 to 11:15. But at this point, for I'm just waiting for price to decide what it wants to do. And oh, we didn't even wait. So then what just made the market have that huge move like this? I mean, 9:30 is technically the season. I mean, not the season, the session open. All the liquidity just like it hit literally everything perfectly, you know what I mean? Now we're just waiting to see what this wants to do. But the analysis was perfect to the T. But um, besides that, it's nothing. You have this daily that it's still forming. This candle has to close first for this daily to be a thing. So if it comes down into this box, you just lower it to wherever the wick is. The 4 hour, this 4 hour didn't get touched yet. What? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's the uh unmitigated demand. Go to the 15 minute. You see how it's an imbalance too? That's yeah, I'm looking for the imbalances. It's the same exact thing. Yeah, so that's exactly what I was looking at. Yeah, I would wait for confirmation and stuff. Wait. Mm-hmm. What part of the is your wait. Oh, your data's delayed. That's why it looks like that. Bro. Bro, I was like, why does your 5 minute not look like my 5 minute and we're on the same ticker? Like, I'm like, that doesn't make any sense. But now I'm really confused because that 15-minute gap was still there. That's confusing. You get what I'm saying? Like, that's really confusing. But yeah, you see how that you have that 1 hour demand. So like, if you go to the 4 hour chart really quick. So those two white candles, I would call that an order block, and it's the same thing as like a supply or demand zone, whichever one that is. No, 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 up there, yeah, right where that, yeah, yeah, those two, that would be an order block. Right. To more yeah, if you want to refine it, yeah. Uh-huh. Now you're waiting for the same thing on the, yep, yeah, unmitigated, yeah. But yeah, all of those, like those are like supply demand for us, ICT traders. No, but I think I'm about to get into a trade here. So you're still, are you still bullish? I mean, are you bearish or bullish? Yeah, I don't know, bro, because this shit, I think it's bullish. Yeah, because if you look at my screen, bro, like 15 minute, 30, oh, you could look it on yours too. The 15 minute, 30 minutes like wicking right out of us, liquidity. 21, 6:45. That's down here. Oh, it's on 1 hour. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I mean, it is support resistance, but I just look at it as liquidity because that's what it is. So this is what I think is about to happen. Um, this 5 minute gap is tapping into it, and then the relationship between liquidity is internal to external. So price had this shift right here. Oh, that's up, and then you have like the so price is gonna come down. Or do you think it's gonna go low? Nah, it wouldn't go back down. Look at this wick, bro. Look at the 15 minute and the 30 minute. What is this? Look at the 1 hour, bro. This is ridiculous. I don't even want to trade today. I don't feel like I don't feel like losing money to this bullshit. I have a couple entry spots that I'm looking at right now. It's too low. Well, no, it just has to be a premium and discount. So yeah, that makes sense. So like right here, I'd be looking for an entry soon. Yeah, unless Price just wants to keep liquidating my take profits before I even enter, because that's what it looks like it's doing again. This is bullshit. No, but like I'm listening. Yeah, go ahead. No, but the way that ICT traders, or at least me, I trade off of liquidity. So these wicks are good because it means a strong movement to the opposite side. So I'm trying to catch that movement after like this. So it wicked up. You think so? Oh, yeah. I mean, it's not much about, yeah, but it's when it's like not a controlled movement, but you understand where the targets are. Like if you look at these lines on my screen, like if you look at the chart right now just by itself, if this was a blank chart, it would look crazy. But when you see these lines, you know what I'm saying? These these schizophrenic lines, then that's when you know that it's okay to buy 12 contracts. You know what I mean? So this is this is how you do it. No, but seriously, I'm gonna enter these Molochs when it comes down. But but I also have an issue with setting my stop loss and take profits because I'm entering 12 market orders, right? So if I want to my stop loss, that would be like a sell limit, right? So I'll put a sell limit for 12 contracts here or a sell stop. Oh yeah, that's if you do it off of the side like this. But I just like to, yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I want this 5 minute, I think this 5 minute is gonna close above, so it'll stay up here, and then it's gonna retrace after that because it wants to show that it's gonna be bullish before it actually retraces and then goes bullish. That's what I think is gonna happen. But we have a few targets up top. We have this high right here. We have this 30-minute fair value gap or imbalance, and then you have this all the way up here. But I don't think it's gonna go all the way up there because these are also those bearish zones you were looking at. On the 2 minute. 2 minute is kind of what? What do you mean? Oh, like you're talking about like when it sweeps these liquidities and stuff like that? Well, I'm gonna enter when it comes to my entry. Yeah, I'm just yeah, just do it for visualization. I don't know how to say that word, but yeah. Um, 'Cause if I'm here and then here, my stop loss would be here. Damn! Wait, that's a oh because it's 156 handles. That's a lot of handles. I'm gonna cut my wrist. I'm glad I checked. I did not want to be risking that much. Wait, but 156 handles, that's way too much. I need no, but that was on the 2 minute time frame, bro. Yes, look at this. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Like this is insane. You should just wait. Yeah, that's true. That's a good point. But I don't know because it already liquidated. I don't think it's gonna go all the way down there to liquidate. But PMI is PMI. What are you talking about this right here? 720, 650. Oh, you mean this whole fucking. Wait, oh, 650. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. But the thing is, that was heavily mitigated already. Like, that's just like a huge consolidation zone, I feel like. Yeah. That's what, there's just so much liquidity and consolidation. Yeah. But this whole day, the rest of this daily candle is gonna be a consolidation because it's staying right here, and then after that, it's gonna come back to this daily gap, this daily imbalance over here. So it's still like, because it's in this bearish imbalance, and then but it might just shoot up as well. Who knows? I don't. But you see this? Look, I could have entered off of this 2 minute fair value gap. Look at this. That's what I'm saying. It worked by the like, you get what I'm saying? But this is what happens when there's like good volume, like this volume like this. So like that's when the concepts that I trade, that's when they thrive the most in markets like this. Because as you can see, like I had these zones marked out like when price was here, like at this line. You know what I mean? Not these ones obviously that are in price right now, but like all these like lines and stuff. And bro, like it's just like hits everything perfectly. You know what I mean? Like you can't make it up. But it doesn't look like these buys are gonna happen. Did the 5 minute close yet? Yeah, it did. There's no gap on the 5 minute. What about the 2 minute? It had this gap. Horrible. Yeah, it is definitional chop. Well, for supply and demand, yeah, I agree with that. Because chop for you guys is just like liquidity waiting to be swept. And then chop for me is like when the liquidity gets swept, I'm looking for opposites. The opposite. But then you have yeah, I don't like this, bro. I'm gonna get rid of this. What's going on here? Let's look at this logically. What's all of this? I forget. Oh, there's that order block. There's the fair value gap. That's the 2 minute fair value gap. Go to the 2 minute. I mean, it also could be bearish though. It'd be better just to wait for something clear, but it's like, uh, I think it is bearish for the most part. Oh, and then you have this model here. It's inversion and then price closes here. Because you have this 5 minute imbalance right here. And then in the 1 minute, no, the 2 minute, you have the turtle soup. But here it comes. Turtle soup. This is what they call it, bro. I don't know. I just, yeah, bro. I don't write the rules. It's okay. So you have structure, right? It goes like this, right? Yeah. So you see these breaks of structures? Obviously, these are breaks of structures, right? So what a turtle soup is, this is like a level up break of structure. So you have this low right here, right? So let's say this was like a continuation, right? So you had like this. So if you wanted to catch this long and you weren't too sure about it, you would look for this pattern. Instead of this happening, price would come down to sweep this liquidity because it wants to sweep out the buyers at their sell stops and their stop losses before it actually goes in their direction. So that's a turtle soup. So this would happen, then you would have the breakup structure, and then you would have like a imbalance here, and then you would enter off that imbalance, if that makes sense. I don't know how you would view it in supply, because when I used to trade supply, I mean, not to the extent that you guys do, because you guys are good as fuck at that shit. But I don't like I don't my bad, I'm doing a lot of things at once. I'm going for sales right. Yeah, no, not like the engulfing candles and stuff. Yeah, no. Oh yeah, yeah. Like the bullish flag and bearish flag. Yeah, 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 like head and shoulders. Right, Wyckoff? Yeah, I know a lot of people who do Wyckoff. I just put my like order. The move down, yeah. Uh-huh. So what time do you guys usually trade at? Right, right. Okay, okay. I'm no, but I'm really confused what's going on today. That was the PMI, never mind. Jesus. Okay, what did this do? That didn't do anything. Okay, it's just continuing down. Yeah, so I'm gonna go with what you said and just wait until price retraces to continue this bearish move. On what time frame? The 5 minute? For sure. Oh, you would enter off of something like this because you have this green candle right here. That would be like but this is a big zone, so you would go at the half line, right? It's a strong, yeah. Oh, second is crazy. I don't even have the second. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bro, look at this. Bro, like, but yeah, so yeah, this daily imbalance, you can see I'm just shortening it because it's cutting into it. When it hit that 15-minute green candle. Uh-huh. But I feel like because it was down here, I don't, for it to wake up that much, but I feel like they would have to have like FOMC or something. Yeah, shit. Now we wait. You got it? Wait, you got in the trade today already? Oh, that was from yesterday. Um, right, right, right. Mm. Oh no. So the thing about this right now is that this 4 hour imbalance just got tapped into. It was unmitigated, or not unmitigated, but it's like the same thing. It wasn't tapped into previously, and now it just got tapped into. Um, but I think price is gonna like consolidate in there a little bit, because it usually doesn't snipe out of a 4 hour zone. It usually like sits in there for a little bit. But it makes me wonder too, like what, you get what I'm saying? Like this right here, it's sweeping this low too. But then that's when you just look at, yeah, it's really bearish. This, that's that daily, because the weekly is also bearish. I think it's heading, no, it's not, it's bullish right now. If, I can load, no, yeah, it's bullish. No, the Wi-Fi is acting. How long have I been recording this? Oh, 30 minutes. Sheesh, I'm gonna pause this. Price is just, I've turned the recording back on, by the way. It's either like going to a supplier demand zone or it's just like sweeping liquidity and going down. Like, look, like it's just the zigzags have never been so zigzaggy before. You know what I mean? Like, you could just tell what it's doing. And this daily zone is literally just look how small this daily zone is. This daily, and then this 4 hours. Still this, but that daily zone got scrunched up. Which zone? Oh yeah, for sure. That's where I'm looking for my sales as well. I'm looking because that for me it would be just another order block or it would be a breaker block. No, it's not a breaker block. That's just an order block. But then you have this. So like when things are stacked up like this, like you see how that green candle is right next to an imbalance on the 5 minute. it's that's like double confirmation, like when they're stacked up like that. Because there's like a few different types of entries. You have like the imbalance, you have the order block, there's a breaker block. You have just the fact of it being in a premium since we're selling. So in this case, it'd be a premium. So you have like a lot of different things. And you have like an optimal trade entry. So it's this Fibonacci. It's the 0.79 to 0.62. That's the optimal trade entry zone. All of these concepts are based on this dude who's been trading the markets for the past 40 years. So he's like, that's the inner circle trader guy who I have in my Discord in the where I learned section. I talk about him. But yeah. Um, so this is interesting because now we have two 5 minute imbalances. So I feel like it'll come up to this 5 minute zone, but to the first one, but it'll consolidate a little bit and then it'll shoot up to where your zone is and where my zone is. 0.79 to 0.62. Yeah. And then you have like the 0.705, that's like a golden ratio or whatever, but it's just relatively this zone, this black zone. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So like if it sells, uh-huh. Right. So like those, yeah, up there, right there, yeah. Mm-hmm. And I know the thing I like about supply and demand is that you can put two different entries there because you're risking 1%, but the risk to reward ratio is gonna easily cover up that loss if you lose the first zone. But what's mess hmm Right. You could also do that to stack them, yeah. I don't- Oh, that's the Top Step X. That's what that is. I'm like, what chart is that? Oh, so that's how you view it. Okay. Mm, yeah. I think it'll retrace after the 30-minute closes. Right. Yeah. This video is gonna 30 minutes. Yeah, bro. There's like nothing down here that's like look at this. Did you you blew gas money for the week? That's funny, bro. This liquidity is gonna get swept. So, I think it go up. I hit buy. We buy now. Bro, I wish there was a way that we could put the screens side by side so we can like look at both of our screens at the same time. I think that'd come in handy. Oh shit, so you're looking at mine. Okay, okay. See, my desk isn't that fucking big. That's true. Share it. Oh no, yeah, I'm sharing my screen. You can see my whole screen. Alright, go side by side. That's not how I imagined that. Oh, I can't move Discord anymore. Here we go. Yeah, like this. Perfect. Look at this, bro. This is a setup. This is a long video too, bro. I've been recording the whole session. I mean, I'm pausing it here and there, but like, bro, nothing. I hate days of PMI. I notice this on every PMI day, bro. It always like does everything perfect, but there's no setup at all. Like, I'm gonna have to start pre-firing these trades, bro. Like that ass. The German 30. What's this? LEG 25? What is this? Oh no. Break and retest. Break and retest. You have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, and then put your take profit right at the. I mean, put your order right at the bottom of the red line and make it look like a 1 to 50. Like, right at the- This is how you trade Forex in 2025. How to how to futures in 2025. Look at this. It's perfect. This is a quick 1 to 18 for the day. The damage. Nah, bro. Then you have to go to the 1 minute and perfectly refine it to like the most perfect trade in the world. The 1 second you daily trade 1 second refine. It's refined on the daily chart, bro. You got this in the bag. You can catch this trade in my paid group. Learn how to read candlesticks like these. Japanese candlesticks are overrated. Here's why. They're gonna call the Japanese candlestick a saturated market. If you aren't trading off of line graphs in 2025, then you're doing it wrong. So what index is that? You never told me what index that was, bro. I'm kidding. Live cattle? Nah, you're basically betting on horse racing, bro. So one contract is 10 count. Can you get can you get dividends off of cattle? Live cattle? If it's and if it's backed by crypto? Live channel backed by crypto, backed by NFT. Crypto cow. Crypto cow is gonna be the next meme coin. I'm telling you right now. I'll make it happen. I'm gonna mint my crypto cow on the Solana. Yeah, let's talk about meme coins while we wait for this price action to stop being good. The price action is too good. Like, bro, literally it's too good. It's hitting everything so perfectly today, and it's not giving me anything to work with. Okay, look, do you wanna get to the 5 second trade? Part three of what not to do. It's the same pattern, bro. Look at the 5 second and then yeah. Wait, I'm gonna tell you. Is this 5 second? Oh, bro, you low key go to the 15 second. 5 second is too volatile. Okay, the same thing. You're gonna wait for a break of start. Yeah, that high. Nope. No, the next candle to the left. Yeah, that's the high. Or the white one, whichever one is at the top. Yeah, that. So when the price breaks, closes above, and there's a gap, you enter on that entry of the gap. Guaranteed, 100% win rate. Look, you even have a look. No, look at this. You even have a 15-second turtle soup. Look, you see, you see how it's sweeping? No, yeah, you see how it's wicking the low? Look, bro, you can't make this up. Look. Draw it out, bro. This is ICT. No, not yet. You have to wait. So the turtle soup is part one of the three-step process. So now the second step is for price to close above that high. Bro, I think the 15 second is the most that the least I would trade on, bro. 5 second is way too much. That shit is like, bro. Look, see? You see this okay, not yet. But you see that it's a displacement. It's displacing right now. So it's gonna come down a little. Oh, it closed the gap. That's not good. But it's testing the inversion, so it's fine. But I think trading on the 15 second would send me into psychosis. Like, like everything I'm saying out loud is what's going through my head. Like, this is crazy. Do it. Okay, look. That facts. That's true. Smart money concepts. No, I trade dumb money concepts. That's how you win. That's smart money? No. Money. That's funny as fuck, bro. Okay, this actually just might continue down, bro. Yeah, it is doing it though. So you see the gap? No, it's fine. Oh, what did I just do? Yeah, no. It's power of three. Power of three is a different one. So now look, it's gonna keep going down. You see that high right below your yeah, that high, the wick. No. 15 second wait. We can get an entry now. We can get a nice entry. Go to the 15 second. Okay, hold on, wait. After this close, if it closes below, no, don't wick. This is like pocket options, bro. Nah, it's wicking, bro. Nah. Okay. Trade on that gap. The gap. You see the gap? The imbalance. No, the one above. Yeah. That when it goes short at that, yeah, short right there. Your pocket up. You could go a little up, little. You could go a little more up. There we go. Wait, you entered. No, you're in. Okay, good. Ah, you're getting liquidated, bro. So let me just get my quick 200. So your daily profit at break even. Okay, take profit is at 1 to 1. Yeah, yeah, take profit is 1 to 1. Look, this is power of three in a textbook because it's just gonna keep going down unless it doesn't, bro. Look, this is making me look really bad. This is making me look bad, bro. I'm not a trader. I'm sorry, guys. I've actually been copying someone else's trades and posting them on my YouTube. No, but actually though, like it's my plan. But it's okay. In spirit, I'm losing with you because if I was trading on Top Step X, I'd also be in this trade. Nah, wait, wait, wait. Wait, 1 second, bro. What does that even look like? I feel like a kid on Christmas. Look at this. It's doing the same thing, just on a different time frame. Yeah, see, look at this. I told you, bro. Look, look, look. My trades work. I told you it works. My concepts work. The turtle soup, the power of three, the fair value gap, bro, it all works. I literally, bro, I traded from my screen on your screen and I won. I'm telling you, bro, what I teach is it bullshit. Now it's gonna go up. Oh, that's the entry? Ah, bro, I don't know. Yeah, 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 that's what I'm saying. It's also a break and retest. It's a break and retest. Look, it's a perfect trend line. This is called a bearish channel. You could tell by the teacup on the right side. No, I'm looking just at the straight line. The straight consolidation sideways. If you go to the 1 minute, you can see it. It's just a block. Hey, technically, I didn't trade today, but it's still a winning day because I won on your account. So I'm pretty happy, bro. I traded my first trade on a 15 second today. Literally, bro. Because listen, I'm gonna show you how. Because the reason why I told you to take that trade is actually because it happened earlier. And I want to break this down for the video too. It happened earlier before the session, like before you joined. I was looking at it. Um, Damn, bro, I should have just took this 2 minute sell, bro. Like, what was I thinking? Look at this, bro. Look, look. This would have been beautiful. That probably would have been the sell for the day. But this was the power of three that I was talking about, which is the same thing you just traded, but on a 15 second. So you see this consolidation here? Yeah, this channel. So you have this channel and you have this manipulation up. And what confirms this manipulation up that it's going to shoot down is this imbalance. This is the 15-minute imbalance we were looking at where that thing is that you highlighted. And then when you went on the 15-minute, it was that gap. It's that same thing. So it tapped into that imbalance that is just going to go down anyway. And on top of that, it did that manipulation on the power of three. So then what happens is it goes to the opposite direction really sharp and then it goes to the fair value gap, and then it retraces to it, and then that's your entry, which is exactly what happened on this 2 minute. So this actually would have been my trade, but I missed it. So I don't think I should look for a trade right now because it doesn't look like it's doing anything. But that's besides the point. That literally the same thing happened. And then you go to your 15 second, go to that 15 second chart, and then it's literally the same thing. Just scroll up a little. Where'd you enter? I think it was right there. No, it was a long. No, it was a short. Zoom sideways. Cause I know it's shot down. What the? Wait, no, no, that's the wrong. Is that the right chart? No, 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 that's MQH. Huh. Um, cause I know it. It was you run. Oh yeah, you're right. Cause it's on the 1 minute. It happened 10:45. 10:45 New York time. So 9:45. Yeah, right there. Yeah. So you see how right there, with that blue line that it wicked above, that was that liquidity sweep, the manipulation, and then it shot down. Yeah. It probably could have. That's a supply zone. Oh, it just hit that one though. It just, yeah. hmm So I'm gonna show you another thing too. Uh-huh. But look, see, bro, I told you this was gonna happen, bro. I don't know if I told you. Did I say that or did I not say that? But look, you have this manipulation, that short that you just did, and now it's doing the same exact thing, but on the 1 minute. You see, look at you see how it manipulated down? That was your take profit on the 15 second, and then now it's on its way up. So now if you go to the 15 second, there'll probably be something else like another buy, or like the 30 second maybe. But then again, there's this 5 minute fair value gap, so I could be looking for shorts. But like, why is this still going down? You know what I mean? Like, can it just go up? Triple M? I don't know what that is. Triple M. Right. Um, okay, we're gonna get into some stochastic RSI right now. Because I really just want to catch a trade, bro. This is this video is a perfect analogy of what not to do when trading. It's just like it just didn't it never went, bro. Yeah, I know the 5 minute. Yeah, but it's gonna be outside. It'll probably hit there like in the PM, like the 1 to 2, 1 a.m. I mean 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. But I also might just trade off of this breaker block, not the breaker block, this order block, but it's too low. I don't. Days like this, bro, it makes me just like, like I might just go. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is, this, I don't know, man. But that 15-second trade was nice, bro. It went perfect. Yeah, but you won. You can't say 1 to 1 without one. You know what I mean? Yeah, it basically is taking a break because it's no good. Right. Yeah, but still, bro. I might take this trade. No. Look at this. The low of this is 486.75. The close of this is 48675. 48675. Wait, the low 48650. 486. Oh, it did close above. Okay, so it's bullish. Yeah, I'm going for the buys. Yeah. I'm going for the buys. What's this? The 5 minute, it closed above the 5 minute gap by by 0.25. So it technically closed. But I'm still, it's shorts is still dominant right now. It's just you got me in this mode to to buy into sales, bro. Like this was, you know, this video is an hour long, bro. I don't know. That's a good question. Nah, I went to work at 12. Yeah, midnight. Midnight. Yep. Listen, there's no rest for the wicked, all right? No. You get what I'm saying? Exactly. Listen, it's okay that I'm sleep deprived right now because no one cares anyway. That's it. This is how you get through it. Nah, but bro, it's like it's hard to go for sells when I mean go for buys when you think it's buys, but there's sells and there's a 5 minute gap right here. This could easily, you know what I mean? Like, listen, I'm gonna take a trade today, and it's gonna be a darn good one. Yes. Yeah, I might just take that trade with you because I missed my trade. Look at this, bro. Look at this beautiful trade. What do you invest stocks on? Do you use SoFi or do you use Robinhood? Oh, okay, okay, I get the thing. It's like, what do you just use brokerage? No shit. Oh, you want to do options? Yeah, bro, you want to trade options, futures, both at really? Is it like investing just better? How? So how much is the contract? Like how much is each contract? You pay the premium, right? Okay. Which is it varies, of course. Exercise my rights. So what's beta, gamma, and delta in options? I never understood that. Mm. Right. Oh, I didn't even know that they had. I didn't know that they had betas. No. I dropped my candy cane. All these candy canes are real. I'm still looking for these buys, by the way. Are you gonna take these buys with me? These buys are actually like thought out, kind of. They're not. So did you, when you first started trading, did you start out trading supply and demand? Or how did you start out trading? Or did you also start out like okay, okay. Yeah, a year. Uh, right. I see. What's bet again? Uh, bro, 332 handles, bro. 32 handles is not good. Fitbits. Yeah, I was on Fitbits. How'd you know I was on Fitbits? Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, it was probably one of my tests. Finviz and Finbox is good too. I don't know if you know what Finbox is. No, Finbox is really good too. I don't, I'm legally blind actually. I can't see. No, beta's to the right. Beta's to the right. 0.44. Right middle, all the way to the right in the middle. Oh, so beta's the risk. Now, why is Bitcoin 5.99? Just because of the volatility or something? Oh, uh-huh. Monk. Right. I see. Uh-huh. Right. Unless it has good RNG. That, that was a video game joke. Yeah. I I actually don't have that shit downloaded anymore. Nah, I've been playing Destiny and then I just downloaded Overwatch, but I'm gonna delete that game. I don't miss that game at all. I used to play Overwatch way too. I was good at that game, bro. Like, if I could go pro in a game, it'd either be Overwatch or Rocket League on the controller. I was, bro. I was getting up the ranks pretty nice. I like doubles the most, because triples was too much. Yeah, bro, that's a good point. Yeah, I didn't realize that until now. And your prime is like exactly. And he has six pedals on the back of his controller. It's a good point, bro. Wow. Really? Nah, Grand Shape is crazy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm recording, by the way. Okay. I see. Well, if there's one thing I don't care about, it's my portfolio. I'm going for longs right now. No, I'm kidding. I'm waiting for this thing to shift up, actually. So this would be a good textbook entry. Not really at all, actually, but it's fine. You have this 5 minute fair value gap, then you have a turtle soup, and then you have and then you have your um nah, bro. It went over perfect in that 15 second. Bro, that 15-second trade was actually textbook, and I caught it on the opposite side of the screen, bro. I was in a different state and I caught that trade. I'm the first one to do it. Soldier Boy didn't do it first, I did it. Alright, so turtle soup. So you know you have bearish structure, right? So let's say for right now, because I'm looking for buys, we're gonna do a buy example. See this. So bearish structure, right? Ups, down, high, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high. So for me to wanna buy, right? For me to, I want this to buy. Wait, no, I'm so sleep deprived, but it's just hitting me. I can't talk. Nah, bro, this video is turning into a podcast. I don't even want to upload this anymore, bro. I've been recording the past 15 minutes. There's nothing in here. There's no value. It's just talking about Rocket League. No, there definitely is. No, I think there's actually a lot of value. Nah, bro, I'm bullish right now, bro. Are you serious? I'm bullish right now. Nah, listen, this is the daily got. Bro, if you get another 50, no, no, look, I'm about to enter a trade. Actually, I'm not about to enter a trade. But there's no gap though. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Are you in shorts? But I don't know because this could actually go. Okay, no, no, no. I like this better. Okay, now I'm short. So there's that turtle soup inside of a 5 minute bearish fair value gap or imbalance. So if this 1 minute can stop like, you know, doing what it is doing, it's kind of annoying. But I want price to close below this. And then once it closes below that, I'm gonna target this, please. I'm not trading my trading plan. I'm just trading. No, I'm kidding. Always trade your trading plan. What got you into trading? Um, they said they said it was an alternative to gambling. Uh, it's like the trading is the sins of trading, and then gambling is the cigarettes. And then you have roulette. That's just the cigars. It's the it's the cigars in the pack. See, this is good when there's people, at least one person in the chat, because it makes the video more interesting. You know what I mean? But no, not in the chat, in the Discord, in the live. Yeah, you. You. I'm talking about you. Uh, this. Look at this, bro. This is ridiculous. I just want Price to just like do something nice. You have to wait for that to break and retest, right? And then you're going for shorts? Oh, okay. No, I'm kidding. Listen, if there's no trade today, I'd be more proud of myself that I didn't take a trade, to be honest. Because whenever there's a day like this where I miss my trade, I usually just take a trade. But there can very well be two setups because this is looking nice. I need this candle to close here, and I need another candle to close there. You know what I mean? Look, you you better catch this movie. Unless it's gonna wick out. It might wick out, bro. Damn, it might wick out, bro. That's crazy. Because there's a 3 minute imbalance. Look, now it broke that level. It's wicking. You see that? It's the wick. But if it continues down and it shows that it's yeah. So then you want to go like this, and then you go like this. Like you gotta take those, bro. Take those. Take those. But then there's that 3 minute. Who was that? So there's this 3 minute, and then you have this 5 minute. I don't know, bro, because it didn't. I need this to close. Next step, 2 to 5. So it's like I just hit my microphone. Let's see if we get liquidated in three, two, and one. Okay, bro. So how do I set my take profit? I don't know which one to set. That's the problem. I do think this might get liquidated though, because it's 3 minute. This might be another power of three. Yeah, that's what's happening, bro. It's liquidating me like, right now. In like next 2 minutes. Nah, but this is a good video. This is everything of what not to do trading. But one thing that I did make sure I did is I risked a correct amount. You don't want to risk too much. I do want this candle to close out of the fair value gap though. Hey. Might move my stop loss up more if it goes, but if anything, it'll sweep this and then go down. Record a video for it to update my Snapchat. Currently losing. It's all good though. This is the best part. Y'all get to see the wins and the losses. Cause you can't win them all, and that's okay. But we're gonna see how this goes. Currently losing. Yeah, so that's what I was that's what I was saying. It could just wick like this to sweep that before going down. Because I want that to happen because I was hoping it wouldn't sweep that high instead. And it looks like it still wants to go up. And I really just don't want it to close above this. Because if it closes above that, then it's bullish and I might just exit the trade right there. Because then that's just minimizing risk, you know what I mean? Like, what is this, bro? Like, what is that? What's the close? 53275. What's this one? Well, it displaced above that, so I should just get out of this trade here. I don't know. Just trust your analysis too, like just because I don't know what's gonna happen. Could have just swept this, and now it's on its way down. I don't know, man. I just know this video is long. This should have been my trade. It wasn't. Taking this trade based off of this down movement, just keep on going down, so it retraces this 5 minute. No, it's not going that way. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out. 5 minute, and then since it's a bearish, I'm looking for a turtle soup. So you had the liquidity sweep to the. This wasn't really a impulsive break. This was like a weak break, but it still closed below. So I followed the fair value gap. It obviously it you know closed above, swept this, got really close to the take profit. It's still going, but just testing this inversion now. I'm not entirely sure what I want to do here. I'll just let it play out, bro. If anything, I might just take my profits. I don't know. One, two, three. But you just wait. This mic is muted. But I still think price is gonna. I think price is consolidating right now. But it still has this 15 minute to go up to. You know what I mean? And down here, I think it just hit. It just hit a 4 hour fair value gap. It's. I'm looking at my phone. Yeah, no, this isn't going my way at all. If it closes above that, then I'm gonna close out. But then again, you gotta trust the analysis. I'd rather just lose the whole thing than to, I don't know. That's just me though. But yeah, this is gonna get stopped out here. There's no point in moving my stop loss here. Come on. So this was half risk. So if price closes above this, which I think it will easily, I just wanted to do its thing. Unless it won't. No, it's still 20 seconds. So it'll close above that. It'll sweep. It'll take that high. And then I think it'll come back down. No way. Just no, it's gonna shoot up. It wants to. No way it's a liquidity. It's gonna shoot up. It just has to either retrace into this gap first or it's gonna retrace all the way down here into the inversion, but it wants to go up. Yep, there it goes. First loss. There was so much. I guess I should have went for this because that would have been the target. But this video is way too long, bro. Like 1 hour 30 minutes. Sheesh. So is this just gonna be a 5 minute turtle soup or is this what's gonna happen here? But it is out of my trading time. That's the end of the video. Um, I should have just exited the markets after this. After I noticed this, because that was a good trade. This, it made sense, kind of, but I'm not sure. It's like, what is price even doing? You know what I mean? Like, what is it doing? It's crazy. Cause I did trade half risk. Um, I need to learn the like risk management is strange, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace. This video was way too long.